Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing and product review on the March Charmbox Spring Edition 2024 by Daily Charme. I will also be doing a nail creation using these products as well. I will leave a link to all items purchased in the description box. I gotta tell you, I love the Daily Charme packaging. This is actually the second box I have received, and it is just as exciting as the Valentines Edition I received in February. There are so many fun items in the box. The Charm box can be purchased separately, or you can purchase the subscription to receive bi-monthly, and I highly recommend. Before I get into the items in the box, let me just say, I have no cons, but all pros. The box is worth purchasing due to the items, and the value is amazing. Included in the box is a cute description card with all the products listed. The following items are included in the box: Charme Gel Cat Eye Polish, Charme Gel Pinky Pie Polish, Twinkle Pastel Heart Crystals, Lovely Bow Heart, Lovely Resin Flower and Beads, Sakura Blossom Charm Mix, Pastel Resin Baubles Mix, Glazed Pastel Foil Box, Spring Roses Foil Paper, Spring Flower Paper Glitter, Pastel Whimsical Wings DC Sticker, and I love these so much that I use them in today's nail creation, Spring Flutter DC Sticker, Colorful Tulip Glitter Mix, Flower and Stripe Magnetic, which I still need to practice, Pastel Ombre 7-piece manicure kit, which was an awesome surprise and very pretty. And lastly, the bonus items included were the 3D Jelly DC sticker, Chameleon Glitter Mix, and delicate butterfly studs. I am going to let the video play out now, so sit back and relax.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, man. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You simply be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatoumata Jembele, oh Lord. If Fatoumata Jembele, oh Jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatoumata Jembele, everything being safe again now. Everything for your Jembele, oh Jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you, see. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
We Rocking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my been daydreaming, dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky, always dreaming, dreaming, still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I, building castles in the sky, holding on. Maybe I should let you go. Something about you feel like home, stuck in my head like a favorite song. Can't fight it, I just sing along, don't care what they say. Our love is different, I like it. Watching from a distance, I'm trying to keep my cool. My heart is racing, looking at myself. I've been there dreaming, dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next video.
You and I, building castles in the sky.